Transform raw data into powerful insights with stunning bar charts in Google Sheets. Let's dive into making your first bar chart. First, organize your data. I've got some sales figures here, with months in one column and the corresponding sales in another. It's crucial to have your categories in one column and your values in the adjacent column. Now, simply select all the data you want to include in your chart. Click and drag your mouse to highlight both the month names and their sales figures. With your data selected, head up to the menu bar and click on Insert. From the Insert menu, choose Chart. Google Sheets will usually suggest a chart type, and often it will even guess correctly that you want a bar chart. See, Google Sheets has already created a bar chart for us. If it didn't automatically choose a bar chart, or if you want to customize it, you'll use this chart editor pane on the right. To ensure it's a bar chart, click on the chart type drop-down here. You can scroll through various options, select bar chart from the list. You'll see the chart instantly update. Now, let's make it visually appealing. Click on the Customize tab in the chart editor. You can give your chart a clear title. Click on Chart and Access Titles, and then chart title. Type something descriptive like monthly sales to give your audience context. Want to change the colors? Go to Series, click the small pink bucket icon next to your data series, and choose a color that stands out. You can also adjust the legend's position for better readability. Under Legend, try changing the position to bottom. And there you have it, a professionally formatted bar chart that clearly communicates your data story.